What's up, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you something that every driver ought to know: how to check their oil. Before you begin, you want to make sure that your vehicle is on a level surface. We're going to start by locating the engine oil dipstick. Majority of the time, the engine oil dipstick is going to have a yellow handle, and usually right on top or to either side of the engine. Like in my truck right here, the yellow handle is the oil dipstick. The red handle is the transmission fluid. So we're going to check the oil by pulling the engine oil dipstick out. So there's going to be markings on the bottom of the dipstick. The L stands for low, and on top the F stands for full. And you want the oil up to the full line. If it's below the full line, you want to add oil until it gets to the line. So I'm going to use a shop towel to wipe the end of the dipstick clean. Then I'm going to put it back in the engine, leave it there for a second, pull it back out, and see what the oil is reading. And the oil is up to the full line, so the oil level is perfect. Okay, so say you checked your oil and your oil is low, you're going to have to add oil. So we're going to open up this engine oil cap. We're going to twist it off. You would put your funnel in right there, and then you would put in whatever oil your vehicle calls for. If you don't know what type of oil your vehicle takes, it's usually written on the cap. On my truck, it's not. But if you don't know, you can look in your owner's manual or you can Google it. After you add your oil, you want to make sure you put the engine cap back on, and then you want to check your oil again. And that's all there is to checking your oil. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe.